Haba haba.
Okay, I'm new to this haba haba stuff. Can I just get one more haba haba?
I'm Adwela Ndombini, Creative Director and founder of Alien Star Creations. We're in the business of PR, talent management, and events management. In events management, we host 3 annual events per annum, celebrating the rich history and heritage of South Africa. Across South Africa, we host them in the Eastern Cape, in the Vaal, and some in the Western Cape. In the business of PR, we provide services for corporate and social entities. In talent management, we are in the business of scouting talent. We are not about established faces. If you are an established face, we are not looking for you in terms of talent management. We are about finding the talent that is in the township, that has been there for many years, and making it an A-list and creating a star out of it. That is our business, creating stars, creating that A-list and making it glow, taking it from pupil stages and making it a butterfly that is ready to fly into the sky and be an established entity. Investing not only in the individual but also in the community as well. How do we generate our revenue? Our revenue is generated through the events that we'll be doing annually, those 3 annual events, and we do also outsourced events where we are outsourced by corporates and social entities, where we provide our service and render our service of events management because of the experience that we have in events management. In terms of PR, how do we generate our revenue? Those corporates, that's how we generate the revenue. Also in the talent management side, that's also how we generate our revenue. Thank you.
Listen, my question is very simple. You are in talent scouting, PR, as well as events. You've told us how you generate your revenue. My biggest question is, that industry is so vast in who's in it and who exists in it currently. How do you go about maintaining the clientele that you get such that it's clients that you have for the next decade or the next decade or that? What is your service experience? What is it about you that should make me want to come and look for your service?
It's very simple. It's very simple. Yeah. As I said, it's very simple. I bring a personal touch to it. First of all, if I'm selling you shoes, and I'm telling you these shoes are tailor-made, then those shoes feel very special to you because they are specifically made for you as Zizipo. Now, in our industry, it's very big. We have big PR companies giving out all these good deals and promises. I don't promise anything, but I promise to give you a service that is specifically tailored for you, not anyone else.
So tell me, what success have you